All right, we are adding favorite lanes to your JB Hunt 360 accounts so you can receive notifications when your favorite lanes become available, so you'll be the first to know about them. Open up Chrome and go to jbhunt.com and log in. Over to the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see the third option down is favorites. Click on that. Click on this piece of shit. There we go. All right, here you add in your favorite lanes. I already added two of mine. Outbound from Charlotte to Richmond, Virginia, and then inbound to Charlotte from Richmond, Virginia. You go over to the right, that little blue arrow next to view, click on that and hit add notification. And all that's going to do is notify you when you are logged in to your account. And that doesn't really matter. What we want is email notifications and in-app notifications, your 360 app. So to manage those, at the top right-hand side of the screen is that little notification bell. Click on that. And then that tiny word to the right, manage. Click on that. All right. Here you can manage all your notifications, but we only care about the fourth one down. There are new loads on my favorite lanes. You can see in-app and email notifications are turned off. So hit edit next to that and turn them both on. Hit submit. All right, if you don't see that notification there, all the way at the bottom right-hand side, you can create it. So click on that, create notification. And in the drop-down menu, it will be listed here. That's it.